How are you, ladies and gentlemen, owners of Las Palmas? We are here presenting this tankless heater device. So first what needs to be done is put a different wire from the breaker box to the tankless device. This is a 50 amp breaker that's been installed. Okay. Then it's a very small electrical box, and this is the very small and compact tankless water heater device. Currently it's set at 125 degrees Fahrenheit. It is connected through hoses to the hot and the cold water. Okay, very small hoses. These connectors should be copper. Okay, and now we want to start opening the kitchen faucet. Okay. Kitchen faucet is open. The time of response is about the same on the regular water heater. Right now we're feeling the warmness. Well, now very hot water set at 125 Fahrenheit. Okay. Well, as I'm telling Ross, I could not stand this hot temperature. There's no way. Now we're gonna go to the one of the bathrooms. Okay. Now we have moved to a restroom. Okay. Now we want to turn at the same time the faucet here. It's already hot, and we want to do the shower as well. Right now we're getting very hot water in both faucet and shower. Okay, those are running at the same time. At the same time, and we believe there is not much of a difference between this very hot temperature versus the temperature on the water coming out of the shower. Of course, I believe that nobody could stand this hot water. Okay, well, one of the multiple advantages versus a regular water heater is that even though this device is on, okay, right now, it's not working because it does not sense the water flow. It will only turn on until it senses the flow of water and the demand for hot water. That will be till then when this device will kick in. For instance, I'm going to open the kitchen faucet, and immediately, okay, with the demand of hot water, the red light will turn on. Okay, the red light is on. There's demand for hot water, and as soon as I turn it off, the red light will be off. There you go. So the faucet is closed, the light is off. So even though it's on, okay, it will be working until the flow of water is sensed.